Condominium na may free parking, 6 unit lang per building, at may overlooking view. Dito lang yan sa Barangay San Roque, Antipolo City. Presenting Midori, our 3-story condominium na merong 6 units per building, 2 units per floor with a floor area of 50 square meter per unit. Complete finish ang turnover ng unit. At malawak na rin dahil meron itong 50 square meter na floor area na provision for dining area at pwede ka rin dito maglagay ng living area kung saan meron na tayong sliding window for ventilation and meron na rin tayong electrical wirings and fixtures. Ito naman ang ating kitchen area na meron ng free modular cabinet with sink upon your turnover. Meron na rin itong 1 toilet and bath na complete finish and complete fixtures. Meron na rin tayong ventilation, shower, and lavatory. This is our first bedroom. Meron na siyang malawak na space and meron ng 2 sliding windows for ventilation. Meron na rin tayong socket for aircon upon your turnover. This is our master's bedroom na kasya ang queen o king size bed at meron na ring bintana for ventilation. At pwede ka rin maglagay ng built-in cabinets. At ang pinaka-unique sa unit na to, meron kang patio na pwede mong gawing service area or 3rd bedroom pa. This is pre-selling na pwede through bank and Pag-ibig financing. At ang pinakamaganda dito, merong iba't ibang view. Merong forest view, regular view, and city view zone na pwedeng-pwede para sa'yo lalo na kung work from home ang trabaho mo. Pwede mo ring ma-enjoy ang mga amenities gaya ng parks and playground, gazebo, and gated community with 24/7 security. You can reserve this unit for 15,000 pesos only with down payment of as low as 15K monthly. For more information and free tripping assistance, you can contact me sa aking mga contact details below. I'm Jen, your bahay expert. Laging tandaan na pag naghahanap ng bahay, nandito si Jen na laging kaagapay. Paalam!